Agnes, what is it?
My queen, he started it first.
No, you started it first. I stepped on you, but I told you sorry.
You stepped on me, but you quarreling at me after stepping on me.
I told you that.
Nande, how many times have I told you that Jidenna is your elder brother? That you're supposed to give him the respect he deserves?
He's not my brother.
What do you mean? Who wants to even be your brother?
He's not my brother.
Don't say that. Let's go. What is going on here? Oh, my queen, don't worry. It's just kids being kids, you know.
Oh, I see. And I hope they are not giving you too much stress.
No.
Agnes, you ought to have prepared Jidenna for his trip.
Yes, Mama. You will pay for this! You will pay for what? You pay for this!
That's enough. Namde.
It's okay, my dear. I'm so sorry about that, So, how are you preparing for your trip?
Yes, Mom.
That's good. Yes, we'll be going for his final shopping tomorrow.
Oh, that's great. And I'll be accompanying Jidenna to the airport in a few hours.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Are these kids not wonderful?
We are so blessed to have.
God has really blessed this royal home.
Honestly, you can say that again.
Nandi, and I'm sure you will miss your brother, isn't it?
Of course he will. Don't mind him.
That's my boy. All right, my queen, please, I need to go supervise what Agnes is doing.
No problem.
Excuse me.
I'll soon join you.
All right.
Yes.
Please, tell him to stop quarreling me after matching me.
It's okay. That's fine. Sit down. There is something I want you to know. Jidenna is your brother. Not only your brother, but your elder brother. You may say that both of you are not of the same mother, but it's the same father. That makes you blood. You're supposed to be together and stay united. Now, I want you to promise me one thing. That you'll not fight with him ever again. Can you promise me that?
Okay, I promise.
That's my son.
I will beat you. I'll come and dress. I'll dress with you. Stop playing, Jidenna. I'll get a cane, a strong cane for you. You're not hearing me. Okay.
What's this mark on my back?
Are you just noticing it?
Yes. But how did you get here?
Okay, let me tell you. This mark is a royal mark for every crowned prince in this kingdom. And for being a crowned prince means you will be a king one day. You are going to become a king. You will succeed your father.
No?
Yes.
But I thought he's the first child that succeeds the king. I'm not the first child.
Yes, you're not the first
Yes.
child. I know. There is a girl. You're a boy. You are the first son.
Can't girls be
Can you dress?
like
You will understand everything at the right time. Oh yeah, stop talking. Oh yeah, Tom, let's dress.
leave me alone.
Play. I'll use my leg and hold you. Yes. Oh yeah, put your hand. I'll beat this boy. Oh yeah, put your hand. Oh yeah. Your big head, coconut head. Put your head though. This clothes will hold you. It's a little bit tight.
Alright.
Put your hand.
You can't flog me. I'm the crown prince.
Okay.
Daddy. Oh. What is that?
Oh, it's a gift I got for your brother.
Mom, why can't I go to the same boarding school in Abuja as Shidena?
Of course you go to a boarding school, but not in Abuja.
But why not Abuja?
My son, it's for security reasons. The royal house is a target, so it's risky to send all the children to one school. Never mind, you won't understand now, but with time, you will understand. Have you taken your bed?
No.
Up till now, I will go and tell Agnes to help you run your bath.
My prince.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Agnes. Where is that?
Agnes.
Yes, my queen.
Come.
Is Jiden not yet ready?
He's ready. He's ready.
My son. Come and sit.
Yes, Dad.
Good. I am your daddy,
Dad.
the king. And I'm proud of you.
Dad.
And I'm equally happy that you're making us proud.
Oh, thank you.
I want to use this opportunity to send you outside the world to experience something new. So that by the time you come back, you will be matured both in body and spirit to be the king of your kingdom. When I'm no more, you're going to be the king of this kingdom.
Not now, Your Highness. Jidena will get to know everything he needs to know at the right time.
At the right time, yes.
Let's teach him in time. Yes.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay.
I love you, son. But just promise me that you will not disappoint us.
He will not. He will not disappoint you.
I will never disappoint you.
That's my
Boy.
Jide, this is for you.
Wow.
For you, my prince.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, my queen.
You're
God bless you.
Jidena, let me see what you have.
Yes, Dad.
Wow. You like it?
Of course.
You are. It's okay. Just promise me you'll be a good boy.
Yes, Daddy.
will be. Let's go. All right. Agnes,
Be good.
have my bag. Where is the guard? I hope he has taken the luggage in the car. It should be outside.
Aww. Bye, Dad.
Your Highness, let's go.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Love you, Dad.
Love you, son.
Oh, my brother, I'm sure I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you too, my sister. Remember, when you reach there, call me. Remember to take care of yourself. Bye. I love you too, sister, and I'll miss you also. And I'll make sure I reach out to you, okay? Okay. Make sure I reach out to you. I'll miss you all. I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
My prince,
Yes, Susan.
Remember to be a good boy as always. And remember that the throne is waiting for you.
Yes.
Safe journey. God will protect you. Okay?
Amen.
Amen.
I miss you all.
I'll miss you too. And why don't you give me a hug before you go? Oh my boy. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you all.
Miss you. We'll miss you.
Mom?
Yeah, baby.
Son? Be careful.
Nigga, you know what? Divine, without for duties, man. Duty is duty. No, now water na dey wash dirty. Dirty no fit wash water.
No get you.
Hey.
Come on, quick.
I said, come on, get out. Come on, go down. Go down, come on, get out. Get out. I said, get down. Get down. Go down, come on. Don't have your fucking cavity. Don't have your fucking cavity. Move it, your fucking cavity. Move it. Move it. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Come on, let's move it. Come on, move it. Move. Shut. Get out! Oh, I put my finger on it. Get out! Get out! Get out! Come on! Get out! Come on! Get out!
Hello. Yeah, I get the facts. All the details is confirmed. Yes. I'll sort it out.
I beg of you, please. Please let us go. Please. I beg you.
Divine.
Lord,
Dirty no fit wash water. Na water na im dey wash dirty.
na so e be.
On how e be. He talk say he no go come again. Say make we take on duty. He dey hear me so make we finish work. Say later he go vinto us. Go call us. Say make we laugh so that he go give us our balance. Alawina.
So blood, wetin dey happen? That one no be the agreement na. Shebi he talk say he go show up before we go buy them.
Na what to you? Na what to you? Why you dey rush na? You no know say if you rush you go crush. They no dey use rush dey chop okra soup o. On how e be, listen, no worry. Make we carry on the duty first. Dey hear me? First, we go start from this woman.
Please now, spare my mother.
First, we go operate and know whether coronavirus dey for her body.
Please, at the matter, make we quarantine her. Please.
I beg you. If it's about money, I'll pay you double of whatever amount they gave you. Please. Please.
Madam, Too much of talk, no dey full basket. We dey cap less, we dey reason more. Deal is deal, duty is duty.
Please, one more thing. Spare my son. Spare him, he's only a child and he's innocent. Please, I beg you.
If you talk too much, I will use this acid. I will water you, I will wash you, turn you to albino. We are out for deal. Deal is deal and duty is duty.
No, stop. No.
Shh. Too much of bleeding will make me send you to an early grave.
Fine. Take this thing off. No. Take him out.
Busted. Busted. But people don't jazz.
People don't jazz. Look at that. Jazz. People don't jazz. Move it down. Move it down. Come on. Let's laugh this way. Let's laugh this way. Let's laugh this way. Bless the ball. Bless the ball. Dress him this way. Dress it. Go. Dress it. Divine, get that ball. I say get it. Fire. Shoot him.
Hello, Inspector. Inspector, any news about my wife and my son, Jidenna? Huh?
What did he say? Eh?
No news yet.
What do we call this? Eh?
I think this is abduction.
Abduction? If it's that, they should have called by now to demand for the ransom.
I think it's even preferable. If they demand for a ransom, then we rest assured that they are alive.
Your Majesty, you said I should calm down when my daughter is missing. For some days now, we've not heard anything about Queen Hilda and the Crown Prince. We thought it was a kidnap case, waiting for the kidnappers to demand for ransom. But up till now, we've not heard anything from anyone. And my daughter is missing. All you could say is that I should calm down.
Calm down, woman. Calm down. You are equally talking about my daughter here. Huh? The police are on it. They are on it. Take it easy.
The police? What headways have they made concerning the disappearance of the Crown Prince and the Queen?
And do we have to lose hope now? We don't have to lose hope. We'll keep tarrying along with them.
Your Majesty, we are talking about my daughter here. She is missing. We don't know anything about her whereabouts.
My dear Chidera is equally my daughter. Huh? You can't be more Catholic than the Pope.
I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to her.
Hello? Hello?
What?
Don't say. My own daughter? Hospital?
Your Majesty,
Please, immediately, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My own daughter.
You'll be able to see her once she's out from the A&E.
Doctor, what actually is wrong with her?
I think she was hit by a car, a hit and run.
A hit and run? How dare? Who would dare hit the princess, the royal princess of Ogidi Kingdom? Who would dare do that? But doctor, where did this happen?
I can't say for sure, but she was brought here unconscious by some people who brought her here.
Doctor, Will she be able to make it? Will she be okay?
Yes, she will leave. But there is something disturbing I must let you know.
What?
When she was brought here, we discovered that her gums and tongue were scalded. It seems like a very hot liquid was forced down her throat. I'm afraid she's in a very delicate condition and I don't think she'll be able to speak again.
What? Catastrophe. No! Don't say it!
These strange occurrences can only mean one thing, Your Majesty.
What do you think?
I think the attack is from a very big enemy of this royal family, Your Majesty.
Enemy? I said it. I said it that our enemies will never rest until they make sure they wipe all of us out.
There must be a solution. Yes, we must find a solution to this problem. If I dare discover the perpetrators of this ugly act, I will not hesitate to crush them. Either as a singular or in group. I will deal with them decisively.
Sure, I support you. The attack must be from the enemy of this royal family. And we must not fold our hands and watch them destroy this family. We must get to the root of this problem.
We have to do something immediately in order to save my son. Please.
Son, come and give that there.
I miss you.
I miss you too much. It's okay. Try and talk with him.
Bye bye, my friend. Okay. Daddy, bye.
Bye bye. Mama, be careful.
It's okay, darling.
In this palace, the eyes of God are here. If I can make follow.
Bami.
Mọ̀ mi.
Good afternoon.
Báwo ni? Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Hey,
Where have you been?
I went to print out my call-up letter.
It is out. Hey. Where did they post it to?
Anambra State.
Anambra. Oji now.
We thank God that eventually they called you up. Mami, I greet you.
Welcome, my son. Did you say you were posted to Anambra?
Yes, Mami.
Ojine.
Is there not too far? Huh? Anambra? Hey.
Mami, Anambra is just a state in Nigeria. It's not another country.
Whoa. Femi. What you have to understand is that you have to allow this boy to go to Anambra. Nítorí pé he has to explore around the country as a young man. You can't always have him around you, okay?
All I'm saying is that Anambra is too far. What's happened to the nearby states? Ondo, Ibadan, Ekiti.
Mommy, please, you have to relax. I am going to be fine. I will be fine, okay? Please.
The most important thing is that when you get there, you will have to be very careful. You know these are Omo Igbo, Jokuta Mamomi. You have to be careful with them because of the way they behave. Whoa, Omo, when you get there, I want you to explore around there. You know this Omo Igbo, they know how to make money. When you get there,
I am going to Anambra to make money.
Ọmọ mi ẹkùn mẹ́ta ẹṣin ńlá ni ẹ ọmọ ṣakalaka kó oògùn ta rẹ̀ ń tàn ọmọ mi wàá ṣeré. What will happen is I go and tell your mother to prepare food for me. Àmàlà pẹ̀lú ewédú ṣàkì àwọn oríṣiríṣi ọmọ mi. Okay, we can even eat together.
Okay, bye.
Àmàlà pẹ̀lú ewédú.
Okay.
Ṣàkì mọ̀mọ́ you to add everything there so that we can eat together.
Kainene, Ujunwa. Kainene, guess what?
What is it? What happened?
The prince is back.
Prince? Which prince?
Do we have two princes in this kingdom? Prince Nnamdi, of course.
Oh, Prince Nnamdi. Ha! Oh, he's back. Okay. Is that why you're so excited like
I am, oh.
So what is so conventional about his return?
You need to see him. His skin was glittering.
Ah!
My sister.
Did you see him?
I did not though.
Wait. You don't seem to, like, you did not see him. So how did you know that? Or how do you know that his skin is glittering?
He just returned from Obodo Ibo now. What do you expect from an international based prince?
You know.
Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing at you. So, because somebody just returned from Obodo Ibo, you just simply assumed that his skin is glittering. Nah, Uju.
Well,
no.
For me, I think we need to touch up and step up the game. Don't you think so?
Why do we need to do that?
My dear, just look at me now. Huh? The prince returning from Obodo Ibo means he's back to take a wife. And considering the fact that the king is sick and he doesn't have much time to live.
Ujungwa. Are you the one that is going to kill the king?
No.
This girl,
I don't see anything one dreaming big, my darling sister.
I did not say you shouldn't dream. Just keep on dreaming, dreamer.
Yes, I have to dream. After all, don't I deserve to be a queen?
In fact, you're already a queen. You're already
You can say that again, my darling.
Keep dreaming, dreamer. Please let me fetch my water.
Please fetch your water, let's go.
This girl,
Let's go now.
Somebody
you don't want the prince, I want him. Come, let's go.
You can have. I say you're already in the palace.
Father. Oh, son. You're back. I'm happy to have you back home. Why all this sadness written all over your face, son? You don't have to be sad, son. You see, in this life, sometimes ago we were born, and another time we grow up, we grow in. As we proceed in life, we get old and die. You have to brave up with your situation. Son, I've lived my life, and we're leaving the rest for the younger. Sorry.
Father, you don't have to say that. Nothing will happen to you. And I promise to be good for you. But you have to promise to stand strong. Okay? You have to promise to stand strong. That is who you are. You're the lion. You have to sit up and stand strong.
Ezekiel, son, just go and refreshen up. We'll have lots and lots and lots of time to talk, son.
So, Father, sorry. I promise I'm going to make you proud. But you have to promise me that you'll be fine. You'll be strong again.
What is the matter?
I didn't expect to meet him like that. For how long now?
He has been sick for some days now.
But he was strong the last time you guys visited.
He has to put on as much charade as he could. Your father has never been known to show weakness.
What did the doctor say?
There is no hope. But your father is a fighter. You need to go and see your sister.
How is she?
Go and see for yourself.
Ira. It's me. Namdi, your brother.
After you left, we flew her abroad for treatment. Ever since then, she has been unable to sail through the trauma.
So those bastards were not caught.
The perpetrators were bent on wiping away all the offsprings of the royal family. It was a good thing we sent you, Abby.
I'm back. I am back to protect you. And I want to assure you that those bastards will never go unpunished. Okay? We will get them. I promise you. I'm here. I'm here for you. Okay? You're grown. You're now a big girl. So glad to see you.
My prince.
Drop it on the bed.
My prince. It seems you have forgotten me. I am Agnes. I practically took care of you and late Prince Chidena when you were tender. And I am now the new housekeeper.
So, what am I supposed to do with that information? Am I supposed to tell you congratulations on your job rank?
Yes.
Oh, really? Or will you shut up and close your smelling gob? My friend, will you run along and call someone to run my bath for me? Of course I know you, so what am I supposed to do?
I'm sorry, my friend.
So I know you. I don't know if you can remember me. Like your money.
He has changed tremendously. He appears unfriendly and overbearing. Oh, Agnes.
Mommy, stop worrying yourself. Eh? Stop worrying yourself. I'm not going there to live forever.
My son, is there nothing that can be done? I know that there are people who work their postings. Abi Daddy Femi.
Otio, leave me out of it. Just leave me out of it. The way you are talking now. You're sounding as if the boy is going there to die.
God forbid, my son will not die. Why are you talking like this? Huh?
Mommy, take it easy. Stop worrying yourself. I am not living forever. Besides, I've spent all my life in the West. So I need to move.
All the way to Anambra, my son. I have heard stories.
Whoa. Iyafemi, can you allow us to eat this food in peace nítorí Ọlọ́run?
I am not stopping you from eating your food though. Eat your food.
Mommy, stop worrying yourself. Eat. Please. Please, eat.
Or do you want to go with him?
If it is possible, I will go with him.
Are you a youth copper? Olodo Rabata. General now. Mommy should eat. She should eat.
I'm not eating
Look at the way she is. You want her to eat more food. You want her to explode.
You're talking to yourself, not to me.
Oh no, you see what I'm talking about. What kind of negligence is this? Eh? Will we wait here forever? I get one. Eh? Let me cool down.
You know he just came back. He's trying to freshen up. He will be with you in a short while. Huh? Please, exercise more patience.
There's no problem, Your Majesty. We shall wait. We shall wait.
Your bath is ready. My prince.
It looks a bit soft though. It's bubbling. But that'll be topic for another day. I'm gonna be tired, so you get out. Oh yeah.
Like I said before, no. What sort of disrespect is this one? Eh? How long will we wait? Haven't we waited enough? How long will we wait? I can check one.
Ichi, is he even aware that we are waiting for him?
Why not? No, tell me, why not? What do you expect from a boy who snubbed us and acted as if he did not see us when he arrived? Can you hear?
I observed the same thing. Ndị Igbo si na nganga bere ụzọ ọdịda so ya.
Ọdakla.
Such arrogance is no good. Does not speak well for the future king of this kingdom.
I thought I was the only one saying it.
My fellow elders, we are all still within our right to be angry. Sure, we have to be angry. But our people say it is with a care that one eats hot yam. I suggest let's still have a little patience. Let us give him benefit of doubt. There's nothing you can do. Let us wait.
We know till when. I got love whereby will we sleep here?
My elders, I apologize on behalf of my son once again. Let me go and call him.
Your Majesty, do please.
Go and call him. You see? Which means he doesn't know we're here.
Nwatakịrị a bidoro n'oge otu a gosiwa ihe ọ ga-eme anyị ọ banye ọwacha anyị enweghị problem. We have problem already.
Nnamdi, wake up!
What is it?
You are here sleeping.
Are you aware that the elders of the land are waiting for you?
Are they still around? I thought I told them to go. I will see them next time. I just need to rest, Mom. I had a long flight.
You cannot keep them waiting, eh?
Mom, please. I just need to rest. Please. Okay? You just tell them to go. It's very simple. They can go and come back next time. Hmm?
This is quite disrespectful.
Mom.
We are talking about the elders of the land here.
And we're talking about the future king. The future king wants to rest. It's not a big deal.
Being the future king does not give you a pass for rude behavior. Eh? You have to go and see them, Bikono.
Oh, please. I just need to sleep, please. I had a long flight.
Get up. Get up. We are talking about the elders of the land.
This is crazy. You just want to start making me regret coming back here in the first place. Like I can't even have a chilled rest. Shit is very annoying.
Don't worry, it's your duty. You'll get used to it very soon.
Please, get used to what? The future king can't have simple rest all because of some freaking house elders.
My prince, it is royal madness to keep the elders of this kingdom waiting that long. And even when you came, you told us to leave and to come back when you want to see us. What do you mean by that?
Simply means you have to follow instructions. Well, I understand how insensitive you can be. Of course, you're bad. But the Duke of this kingdom had a long travel, of course, for the betterment of this community. And you expect me to come down to say hello to you? Are you paying me for saying hello to you? I need to sleep, old man.
Do not feel insulted, my prince. Our expectations are not out of the norms.
Now, since we all understand the rules and regulations, can y'all now leave me? I want to rest, old chums. I believe you're not deaf. I said something. I said, I want to rest. You look like a masquerade, though.
Femi, my son, I know you'll be seeing me as an old fashioned, but I'm still your mother. You know, every mother's worry is for her child to be safe. Please, I need your safety and nothing more.
I understand, Mommy. I understand. I am so happy and grateful that I have my parents' love. But like I told you before, you don't have to fret over me. Okay? I am going to be fine.
You have no choice other than to be safe for me. Because I don't know what will happen to me if something happens to you. Since you have insisted on going all that far in the name of serving your father's land, I pray your father's land keep you safe.
Mommy, I promise that I'll always come back on every vacation. I will.
You know that is none of this heaven. Definitely you must come back home in every vacation. Don't even try me, oh.
Mommy, if that is going to make you happy, I will always come back.
You are my son.
No, ma, I'm telling you, working here in the palace is getting more difficult than it already is with the return of the prince. Imagine, just few days return. It's practically getting on everyone's door. Can you imagine?
Is it that one you're just talking? What about the way he leers at us as if we are just mere sex objects? Imagine. That was how he smashed my ass the other day.
Can you imagine?
Crazy prince.
So this is what you guys do. Gossip with my name. No, there's no need. I heard everything. You called me a crazy prince, right?
No, my prince.
Come. I have a souvenir for you. Come, sit. Sit. Down. Sit down. I said sit. Good. Perfect. Come. Get me a bucket of water and a cane.
My prince. Have mercy, please forgive me.
Touch me.
We are sorry.
You touch me. You mind your business.
What is it?
Stop it. Stop it. Look, I don't like this.
Stop it.
I don't like this.
How dare you humiliate a woman so?
No, you ask her what she did. You ask her.
Leave her.
What she
Leave
did.
her.
Are you mad? She called me crazy. You gonna sit crazy?
How dare you humiliate me?
Mama, get up! Let me show you crazy. Fools! Fools!
What is your problem?
This is just little. I'll come back for you.